Hello, in this video I will be providing a comprehensive and detailed review of the TD Sequential Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This extensive indicator can help us identify trends and issue entry and exit signals for trades, offering in-depth analysis and insights on how to effectively utilize this powerful tool. The way this indicator essentially works is that when we typically have a downward trend, it basically displays numbers in red below the candles. And when we have an upward trend,
learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
it essentially shows numbers in blue above the candles. To enter a trade, we can use the phase change bias of this indicator. For example, here where the indicator is blue and indicates an upward trend, when it turns red and we see the number 1, we can enter a sell trade and stay in the trade until the trend changes, meaning we stay in the trade here and exit the trade here. And also for a buy trade, we do exactly the opposite. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. This indicator has only one option for customization in the input, which is the number of candles it performs calculations on and does the numbering within this range. Let's see the live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can also use the MT5 version and this indicator for the MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's see the live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.